You're listening to 2025 The Final Drive, what you need to win with David Hayes.
But when you look at taxes, where else could we come up with some money, right? Well, taxes have long been used in the U.S. to encourage behavior, such as dependent exemption for child tax credits to encourage family creation. You had mortgage interest deductions that encourages home ownership, or deductions for charitable giving to encourage generosity. And taxes have also been used to discourage behaviors, such as taxes on alcohol, tobacco. And what's next? Is it fast food? Is it sugary drinks, processed foods? It's all been attempted in the past, so it's possible. And like I say, when things have popped their head up before, they're likely to come up again. What about other possible tax increases? What about a national sales tax? That'll capture all of that pot money running around the country right now. Increase gas taxes. This could encourage more use of electric cars. What about taxes on cell phone usage? Heck, if that's on my wife and my son, the government could solve all their problems with those two people alone. Could there be a tax on the cash buildup of life insurance money? It could be. Or the elimination of stepped up cost basis on appreciated assets at death? Sure, that was talked about. So right now, the way it works is if you currently own an appreciated asset like land or stock, and you pass away, your heirs inherit that at its current value. If then sold at that appreciated amount, they pay no tax. That's called stepped up cost basis. I think at a minimum, we'll go to carry forward cost basis, where grandma and grandpa paid $10,000 for that 100-acre farm in 1920 something. And when they died, it went to my mom and dad. This is not a real story. This is a made-up story, but it went to my mom and dad, let's say in 1970 something, at a stepped-up cost basis of $100,000. Now it's worth $1 million, and they die, and we inherit this farm. Well, it used to be, it is now, that we would receive another stepped-up cost basis. We could sell the farm, pay no tax. Well, they're thinking that's probably not a great idea and certainly not a revenue booster for the United States. So what if we did carry forward? So I carried forward the $100,000 basis my mom and dad had. Then if I do decide to sell it, me and my family, my heirs, my kids, my brothers, sisters, whoever, would pay the tax on that $900,000. So certainly there's a lot of other ways that we can raise revenues.
Thank you for listening to this podcast. The clock is ticking. Each decision that is made today will put more money into your pocket or leave you worried about your financial future. The time to prepare is now. The time to eliminate risk was yesterday. Let's partner to help those around us to make decisions that empower their financial future. If you would like to book David for a speaking event, please contact CFC at cfci.us. You can purchase his book, 2025 The Final Drive, by going to www.cfci.us and clicking on 2025 The Final Drive.